Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're at lot 56. Lot in 1954 needs a property corner set for a new house. One of our house contractors. They're super slim. Tommy Llama didn't make it today. Me and him both wish we hadn't came in. Probably not gonna find shit at that back of walk. Yeah, I might have to shoot the streets. Alright, today we're going to do a thing that I like to call putting shit back together. Let's get the GPS out. Put a little torque on it. I don't know why you're wasting your time. I said look for some irons. I said look for some irons. Did you find anything? Did you find a property corner set by another professional surveyor?
Not yet.
Cloudy. Unbeknownst in the profession, if you get super heavy clouds, they can give you reflection issues. Lots of surveyors out there, though, don't seem to understand any of that shit. As I go behind them and find their stuff off 2 3/10 consistently. Trees, brick walls, buildings, all things that can cause problems.
Setup completed successfully. Float.
I'm picking up 611 out of 16. We'll check a reference over here. I'm fixed. RTK3, 200 is horizontal, 700 is vertical. It's rough average. DOP is good. Reference. I'm 3 miles from the base. Alright, let's go shoot some stuff. Oh, we may have something. Yeah, at some point somebody probably paid to have a professional surveyor come in here and mark the line. Maybe. Sidewalk was more like 70s and 50s, doesn't it?
That's sidewalk to me.
You know what I mean. 50s sidewalk is, well, really old. Iron in the back walk.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, there's something under there. Matches that old fence line from the 80s or 90s. It ain't at the back of the walk. Stronger at the back of the walk. Super slim with a shovel. Probably under the walk. I see something there sticking kind of. Well, you keep looking. I'm gonna walk up here. Holler. Oh wait, you ain't got your radio, do you? Check, check. Let me turn mine on. Typical surveyors, never ready. If I was topoing, I would shoot the center line of the road. Walking to the next point. Alright, 12 out of 17, drop down, looks good, 300 shooting. Got it. Always gotta watch for reflection points. Got it. Let's see, walking on down the road. Getting too close to a tree. Yeah. I said that and it told me that. Let's see what happens when I straighten up though. 9 out of 14. It's red. I don't like it in red. Red's bad. So I'm not going to take that shot. I'm going to move away from the tree. See if I can get a better fix and just get the curve here. Yeah, see the G-dop's up over 2. Alright, back up. I'm gonna try to get a good shot, then a bad shot, and claim it's good. There we go. V-dop is still off a little bit, but the others within acceptable limits. I'm gonna have to take it. It's the best I'm gonna get.